Alrighty. How's it going, guys? Taco Game here. And I'm gonna do the Bean Boozled challenge. Um, Pretty much, I'm just gonna try to get all of the flavors. Um, or like one of each. To at least see what they taste like. And yeah. Let's see what happens. Come on. Alright. There we go. So, I got a brown one, which is either gonna be dog food or chocolate pudding. I don't like either one, but I guess why? Alright, I guess that, chocolate pudding would at least be better. Oh, kind of got like stuffed up nose too. That's dog food. um, I don't know. I mean, dog food. I guess I'm the weird guy because it doesn't taste that bad. Oh wow, that one's different. I haven't had that one yet. But yeah, that was dog food. Not bad really. And then we got a new one here, rotten eggs, but or buttered popcorn. Once again, I don't like either one. Still got dog food. Yes, I can't really tell. They both taste nasty. I think that is rotten eggs though. I don't like either one. So, and this one, I think this might be dead fish or the strawberry banana smoothie, or it could be the one with the barf or the peach. Like it tastes like something. It's weird. Please don't be barf. Um. Okay. That was strawberry banana smoothie. Wow. Now we're just getting one of each for real. Molded cheese or caramel corn. Um. I mean, caramel corn's alright. It's better than regular corn or whatever. Regular popcorn. Oh. Oh yeah. Uh, mm. Now the real challenge is actually, oh, actually chewing it and swallowing it. Oh wow. Yeah, I didn't bring anything to drink. Chase this down. Oh, that is disgusting. Like it's like it fills up your mouth with like ah. This one could either be long clippings or lime. Oh my god, that's really nasty. Ugh. I guess that's long clippings. It's definitely a weird taste, kind of like rubber or something like that. It's really weird. I feel like I'm probably going through these really. What the heck is that? But I feel like I'm going through these pretty fast. But just trying to make sure I get to all of them. It's another new one for me. This one's either gonna be boogers or juicy fruit. No wait, juicy pear. So let's see. I had the strawberry banana smoothie, the rotten eggs, moldy cheese, long clippings, canned dog food, and now this one needs. Hopefully it's good too. Well, hopefully it's gonna be good. I'm really scared about this one. All right, a juicy pear. Wow, that one's really good. It's got a really good strong flavor too. Ugh, feel like I sound sick. I don't know, it's weird. It just really came out of nowhere. Like my ears, I feel like they getting like blocked or clogged up and muffled a little bit, and then my nose just stopped up, and then I'll be coughing every now and then. All last night I was sneezing a lot. It's been crazy. But this one is either gonna be stinky socks or tutti frutti. I don't think I've had the stinky socks yet, but so far I'm getting a lot of the bad ones. So okay, stuck. I had tutti frutti. This must be boring to you guys. I'm not really sure. But definitely subscribe to my channel. Leave a like down below. And if you tried this already, leave a comment in the description box below. And this one is this one's gonna either be barf or peach. I don't think I've had peach yet, but I've gotten a lot of barf from this one, so maybe I'll luck out this time. Ah, okay. Oh wow. The thing about it is that it um, tastes like really sour lasagna or something like that, you know. It's really nasty. What is this one? Why is it? This is pink. I've never seen that before. That might be the tutti frutti. See if we can get it different. But I can say I have tried. Like I said, I tried most of these already. I've had that one. I just need a white one and a blue one. Let's see if we can get it white. Okay, that one. See, that looks completely different. Zoom in. It looks completely different from all these other ones, but that's probably tutti frutti, because tutti frutti is the only one with like all those colors and stuff. All right, let's see if we can get a blue one. Blue. Alright, so we got a blue one, and that's a pink one, so we're putting that one back. Okay. This one's either going to be toothpaste or berry blue. Either way, it's going to be good. That's berry blue. Try to get it on both sides, try to get the fatness away. Come on, where you at? I need a white one. There you go. Now this one's gonna either be spoiled milk or coconut, and I don't like either one. And I've had the spoiled milk. That one's pretty bad. That's spoiled milk. Yeah. Yeah. so nasty. So, just to wrap up everything that I had already. I've had strawberry banana smoothie. I've had the berry blue. I had the dog food, the moldy cheese, long clippings, tutti frutti, juicy Pam, barf, rotten eggs, and spoiled milk. So there's 10 of them altogether. But yeah, definitely, if you haven't already, try it, check it out. Bean Boozled. Yeah. Okay. That stuff is disgusting. But yeah, I don't like either coconut or the other stuff. But of course, once I get done with this, I'm gonna definitely go brush my teeth now. And anyways, guys, let me do something like this. Hold it all the way out like that. Oh wow, boom. Get a whole distance on me, yeah? Anyways, guys, this is Taco Game signing out. Arrivederci. Live life, stay positive no matter what. Stay happy. And, you know, I'm feeling pretty down myself right about now. But just trying to stay positive and hopefully everything goes okay. And hopefully the outcome is alright. But yeah, just gonna put this back down. Come on. There we go. But yeah, anyways, guys, arrivederci, and see you guys later.